Today I'm going to be trying out some magnetic eyelashes. How to apply magnetic lashes.
Step 1, hold the applicator horizontally and connect each of the top lash strips to the upper prong. 2, connect the teal bottom lash strip to the lower prong. 3, hold your applicator to the prong with the top lash strip. Hover.
I'm using the style Dramatic. I'm actually excited because if this is easier, then I mean, hey, let's just wear magnetic lashes. All right, let's take this off. Hi baby, the baby's in here with us. Hi baby, hi baby. Interesting. Okay, it looks easy enough. We're gonna open up the little container. Wow, they give you a ton of lashes in here, guys. Look. Hey now, it says top right, top left. So top right, bottom, middle, left. Okay, let's do top right first. So it says we should add this to the top right. Hold on, I just, give me a second. All right, put it through here. This goes at the top. All right, so you put it at the top. Now the ones that say bottom, we'll put it at the bottom. And then we put these at the bottom. So bottom right, hold on. Okay, just hopefully not losing these pieces. Bottom, I'm gonna show you in 1 second. Give me a second, I just gotta put them on here. I put them on, and now it's saying that we should just be able to clamp it to our eye. Oh, and it comes with a mirror, so hey now. All right, let's see if it's as easy as how it looks. All right, we got the mirror here. It says this is for the right eye. I'm low-key nervous. Okay. Okay. So I see where we're going with this. I just gotta get it together, but I think it'll be cute once I got it. And they come off easy, so you don't gotta be worried about that. So let's try it one more time. Putting these little ones on are kind of hard. All right, y'all, so it's a bit of a task. Spreading the applicator made it easier for me to be able to, you know, not clamp them together. Since it's a magnet, they kept like magnetizing together, which was kind of getting frustrating. So I spread it apart. Let's hope this second attempt works. So let's go for it. Let's try the other side. I lost the other. Okay. Let's try this again. We're back. Today I'm going to be trying magnetic lashes for the second time. In the first trial run, I literally followed the instructions that came in the box. So definitely don't put on your lashes that way. I decided to go on the company's website to see how the model put on the lashes, and I was like, oh, okay, that seems more accurate. So we're gonna try it again. We are going to try the right eye. Oh my God. So we're gonna do one lash. We're gonna hope that this time it works out. The model, she kind of like had this on her eye first. So she had it on her eye, and it's definitely, I'm gonna say, easier to do it off camera because I'm over here trying to do it with you, and you know, it's kind of like a no. So she clipped this one first. Like maybe if I did it in the viewfinder, it'd work out. Damn it, don't think I can do it on camera because I have to see what I'm doing. Like, let me at least get this first thing on. So it's 110% not easy to put on still. Okay, so once you get the hang of it, it's a lot better. So I got everything but this inner corner. Let's try that again, and I definitely can't do it on camera. So you guys can see the difference in the lash. Here is one of the magnetic lashes, and here's the other one. That was a bit easier. It's kind of unfortunate because When I was taking off the lash for the second one, I broke it. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna stick all the way, but I'm gonna still try because this one is actually cute. Now that I've done it the correct way, it was still difficult to put it on, but they're actually cute. After putting it on the way the company says to put it on, they went on a bit smoother. Like they look, this one at least looks good. Let's just not have the other one in the frame. Broke it on this end, so this one doesn't have the magnet. This one I would say looks fairly, it looks good. If you are interested in trying magnetic lashes, just, you know, test them out, see if you can do a better job than me. Don't forget to use code DaVinci10 for money off your purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. On a level of 1 to 10, and 10 being the hardest, they were about it.
What's the number? Stop, stop. What is the number?
8.
So that's the number. Stop.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.